Applying this mask once every 2 days, I managed to make my face look 10 years younger. Awesome! Over the years, our skin is losing its beauty, elasticity, and natural tone. This is a problem that every person must face sooner or later in their life. In order to try to counteract the effects of aging, many people undergo dangerous surgeries. However, not everyone can pay for them. If that is your case, do not be discouraged. There are other alternatives more effective and safe. In this article we will talk about one of them that will make you look up to 5 years younger. As we mentioned before, not everyone can undergo surgeries to combat stains and wrinkles. Either because they do not have the economic position to do so or because they are unwilling to accept the risks. However, in nature we can find the perfect remedy for stains and wrinkles. According to recent research, cooked zucchini is very powerful to combat the effects of age. This is able to do away with stains and wrinkles as if an eraser would be treated. If you want to know how to use zucchini to improve the appearance of your skin, pay attention to the following instructions. Zucchini mask to eliminate the effects of old age. Ingredients: zucchini cooked without salt 100 grams. Liquid milk 1 tablespoon. Arrowroot syrup 1 tablespoon. Preparation and use: for starters, we should cook some zucchini without salt and take 100 grams of it. Then, take a container and mix the above 3 ingredients. Now, we mix everything very well until getting a paste without many lumps. Before applying this mask, we must wash our face deeply with soap and water. Then we applied this mask on the face and let it act for 15 minutes. Then, we rinsed our face with the water that was left to cook the zucchini. If desired, we can use an exfoliating cream after applying the mask of zucchini. This cycle we must repeat for a week in full. As a result, we will have younger, more beautiful skin with unique skin tone all over the face.